Hello everyone. Today is a day after Christmas. So as a family, God and Timmy, we're going to eat dim sum at King's Garden. Usually when I go eat dim sum, I like to go to Quincy or Boston. But don't feel like driving today because it's like an hour away from Woonsocket. So I'm going to go to Cranston, only 20 minutes away. Look at Timmy looking cool in the back. Going to King's Garden. Now, here's the spot. Right here, King's Garden at Cranston, Rhode Island. Thank you, Timmy. We're at the seat now. Timmy's taking order right now. Over here, they don't push the cart. We have to mark it on the paper and then they bring the food. And we got other menu here too. This one here. Now they're gonna come pick up the slip. The food just got here. We ordered chicken feet, sumai, dumpling, and some ribs, and some fried rice. Timmy's trying out the sumai. Hot, huh? Try the ribs. With black bean sauce? Yeah.
Still missing something.
My favorite. Chicken feet. Fried rice? I love fried rice, huh? How's it? I like spicy, look at that. So you got the spicy oil in there with soy sauce, no? Yeah. Timmy too. I can't do it. I try, but it's too spicy for me. Food just came. The rice wrap, right, Timmy? And what is this here? Shrimp dumpling and tripe, no? Enjoy. I think a lot of food for three of us. Yeah. Shrimp and pork sumai. Yep, pork bun. Hot. Careful. Pork bun. Dip with the chili oil. Tim is done. He's full, and I'm full. But Ka still going. Wow, like Energizer Bunny. She gotta eat. She eats slow. That's why. Me and Tim we eat fast, so that's why we're full already. There's a lot of food left over here. a rice wrap,
No, we don't need
ribs, chicken feet, and now what?
them.
Steamed bun and
Dumpling.
dumpling. I don't know. Hopefully God could finish it.
Off camera.
You done too? Wow. I know.
Stuff.
Still a lot of food.
Can't finish it.
You give up too, huh? Right.
At least $7.
7 bucks? Oh yeah, we need 7 bucks to take home. Pack all this food. All right, we got a lot of food left over here, so we're gonna take it home. And like I said earlier, usually we go to Boston or Quincy to eat dim sum, but here close to home, Cranston, food was good. But we ordered too much, So, all right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.